Okay guys, so this is what you see when you first step into my room. It's really not much to it. Here what I keep is some accessories at the, well not some accessories, but some decorations on the nightstand. This is a salt lamp from Five and Below. This is from Home Goods. The frame in this picture, it's from Home Goods, and I just printed out her picture of Audrey. The lamp is from Home Goods as well. And then I just have a Gucci bag here, it's just as accessory. The headboard, it is from Jason's Furniture. It is a local furniture shop in my town. And the funny story is that it turns on, it's LED. And I only got the headboard for $25 because the person thought it didn't work. And then when I got home, it worked perfectly fine, so it was kind of a steal. On this side, I have another picture of Audrey, a candle, some flowers I picked up at AC Moore. I'm joking, Michael's. I picked up at Michael's. The base or the candle holder that I put the flower in, it's from Home Goods as well. The lamp is the same lamp as the other side. And then the little mirror, it is from Burlington. For the bed sheets and pillows, I got this extra large pillow from Target, and then I got the satin case from Walmart. 2 regular standard pillows, got this from Family Dollar. The gray one is satin as well. And then here, this is a duvet. It's not actually a bed comforter. So I kind of have a bed comforter underneath it, which is the white one, and then the navy blue velvet one is a duvet, and it's from Home Goods, and it came with 2 pillowcases. The white pillow is from Burlington, and it just says Amore with pearls. The donut, well not the donut, but the circular pillow is from Five and Below, and then I have another one right over here. The blanket, it's from Burlington as well. Curtains, they are from Home Goods. They're rather expensive, but it is what it is. At this point, I was really upset because I couldn't find white ones, so I just had to settle for pink. I feel like a little baby, but it's okay, I guess. Over here, I have this painting from Christmas Tree Shop. Bought it a while ago, actually. The mirror, I already told you guys about, I believe. I got it for free. I picked it up from the middle of a street. Nobody wanted it. Then I have a ring light here, and I use it for lighting sometimes as well. My TV, another picture of Audrey. Yes, I am obsessed with her. And then the table here is also a DIY. It was a black basic table, and I messed up right here where I put some, some plastic paper on top of it because I didn't want to sand it, but then the ends here just look a little fucked up. But excuse my language, but it's okay because it looks fine. Reflects on the ceiling as well, and I got this from Five and Below. It was $5 literally. This flower, I believe I got from either Burlington, Marshalls, or Home Goods. One of those stores. And then for the wallpaper behind us, well, behind me, I got at Target. I messed up, so don't come for my neck. I messed up here, I messed up down here, but when you're far away, you can't see it. It was really a struggle because I did it on my own, and It was really hot. I was annoyed. Looks good. Doesn't look that bad. I'm still not done with this wall. I don't know what I want to do with it. I don't know if I want to like just buy a vanity here and just hang the TV on the actual wall, but we will see. I am not done with the room. This is just the beginning. I tend to be very into like changing the atmosphere of my room and the decoration because it is like where I stay, so I put my all into it. I also got a chandelier, and I got the chandelier for like $49 at Home Depot during the quarantine. So I got it like a couple months ago. It is so cute. And then behind me, we will see my closet. It's not that big, it's just a standard closet. And you just open it to the sides. Open it to the sides. Here you can see I have like this little thing I got at Walmart to hang my pants on underneath my jeans. Over here I have some of my jewelry in a jewelry thing, in a jewelry box, and some of my headscarves here as well. In here I have makeup, I have hair accessories, and just random things. I broke that, yes I know. But yeah, behind it I have a shoe rack. But that's that. Here I have this plastic thing. I've had it for like a grip now, but I put my PJs, my home apparel, my panties, my socks, my swimsuits in there, and all of that. I have coats, blazers, sweaters in there. Up here, oh Jesus, up here I have winter clothes, some more shoes, some more heels, booties, and then I have winter bottoms and sweatpants and stuff like that in here. Basically I have an obsession with tan hangers, and then the hangers that have this here, as you can see, the ones in the bottom also have it. So yeah, I like it. I like for them to match. And then I just have like dresses, rompers in the middle so it can hang. And then it goes down to t-shirts, then tank tops or spaghetti strap shirts. Literally shirts I can't find a way to hang. Like this one from Pretty Little Thing. I don't know how to hang it correctly, so it just stays there. Or like this one, look at this. There's no way to hang it, so I don't know. But then it goes on to like long sleeve, like dress shirts or crop tops. Then no sleeves again, medium length sleeves, and then long sleeves. Like these are shirts that I would wear to like dress up more. This is not all of my clothes, be aware. I have more clothing in my other bedroom that I used to be in. I'm just not fully moved in yet, but I wanted to do this video now so you guys could see where I'm at. Behind the closet, well, not behind the closet, but if I move this to the side, you'll see like a hanging thing. And what I did is that I put it to hang, put it through the through this thing, whatever you call this. I put it through there because I don't like it for it to be on the actual door, because it kind of makes a weird noise if I put it on that door over there, and I just don't like how it looks. But this is it. This is my bedroom, guys. I hope you guys enjoy. I will definitely be doing more videos like this. I will be doing it for my bathroom and things like that as well. Alright guys, so this concludes the video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. This was a requested video. Like I said on my previous video, just let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll try my best to get it out there as soon as possible for you guys. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit your notification bell so that when I post, you can come and watch all the time and be with me. So I'll see you guys next time.